So guys, today I am going to share you a very secret method how you can use your direct link to earn unlimited. Okay, just by using this method you can daily unlimited get click, and also I am telling you this is a working method, and don't worry, and if you work with pro method it will work 100% legit. So what you need to do, just open an account in neon.today account. After that you go to here in the manage ads. In the left section you can see manage ads here. Okay, first you see, you click link, a copy link. Okay, then in Google search Facebook share link. Very important, this part is very important, don't skip it. Okay, open the link and redirect your link must. If you don't want to ban your account, always use redirected link like Twitter, like Facebook, like YouTube, like Quora. Any one of redirected link is very super safe for your account. So what I am doing, in the manage ads section I am just in surfing section, I am adding new surfing ads. After that I am adding the, okay, see, I'm adding this. Now I need only 20 seconds, that's enough, and 1 credit per visit. This is very important. How much is cost for 1 credit? You will shocked if you know how much only for 1 credit. Now I am going to show you a free method to promote your direct link. You need to just install a plugin. This is available in here, and then click on a start button. So when you after install the plugin, as you can see, the installed plugin will available in the extension area. See, this is the installed plugin Neon Sharp. So after this plugin complete, come here and press on start button. Then you can easily get free credit. The extension work automatically in your browser, and automatically your credit will be added after each ad surfing in the browser. And definitely you must need a Mozilla Firefox browser for this type of work. Chrome have something setting you need to do. I don't recommend Chrome for this work. Always use Mozilla, is safe for this work. And you need to just start button, and the ad will automatically open, and you work your another task, you work your another. So as you can see, after each surfing time complete, you will reward it with Rubble, and this Rubble will be used as credit. So how much credit you can earn? See, first you can, this is now paid method. Very simple, very useful. Only 10 Rubble need to get 1000 credit. So 10 Rubble as for my Bangladeshi viewer is only 15 BDT. Okay, now if I convert it for USD for international my viewer, see, as you can see, the USD is only, okay, let's convert it in English, only 13 USD. So you need only 0.13 USD to get 1000. As I said, only 1 credit need for 1 click. That means when you play your ad in surfing, only 1 credit will be cost for 1 direct link click. So think how much you can earn by only 10 Rubble. That means 0.13 USD, and very easy to deposit here. If you have crypto payer account or master dual currency card, web money, anything you can easily use here. Okay, so this is the payment and paid method for getting direct link for your Adsterra account. And this is a very secret method, guys, because you seen this type of video but they didn't tell you to use Facebook redirect link. And that's why sometimes you see in the comment section so many people tell my Adsterra account banned, my Adsterra account banned. Actually it's banned because you didn't apply the right method. Why? When you use directly the direct link in any network, this will harm your account and this can be ban your account. That's why you need to always use redirected account. And there is another opportunity you can get in here. This is very simple, very easy. I will make another video how you can get penny bucks from this website very easily. And this is very simple way you can generate a passive income from this website. So I will show you now slightly what is the method. The surfing is ongoing and see already my Rabble is increased, and after each surfing complete automatically Rabble add in my account. And now what I can do, I can earn from this site also. Okay, this is only simply I am sharing how you can earn and how. See, you can pay out from this site by when you fill up 100 Rabble, then you can pay out from this site. So you can also freelance from there. Thank you guys. I hope we will talk to you next time. Bye.